Hello students, today we will discuss about dihalo derivatives. Okay, in dihalo derivatives the first type is alkyl leading halide और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं जेम डाइहालाइड. So what is the definition? When both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, these are called gem dihalides. Now see here, this is an example of a gem dihalide where two halogen atoms, here the halogen is your chloro, so two chlorine groups are attached to one carbon, that means the same carbon atom. If I'll write the IP name of this compound, this is your 1, 2, in one position 2 chloros are there, so it is 1,1-dichloro, 2 carbon, that means ethane. 1,1-dichloroethane is the IPAC name and the common name is ethylidene dichloride. Alkylidene is a general name, 2 carbon atoms are there, so it is ethylidene dichloride. Similarly, another example where here the two halogens are 2 chloro attached to one position, here the two halogens attached to two position, whatever may be the position, it should be attached, or the two halogen atoms should be attached to the same carbon atom. Here if you want to write the IPAC name of this compound, 1, 2, 3, in two positions there are two halogen atoms. Okay, so what is the name? 2,2-dichloropropane. Now what is the IPAC common name of this compound? Isopropylidene dichloride. This is your iso group. Okay, this is your isopropylidene dichloride. Okay. Similarly, the second one is your alkyline halide or 𝗵𝗶 dihalide. Alkyline halide किसको बोलते हैं? When two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms, then they are called vicinal dihalide or 𝗵𝗶 dihalide. Here, the two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. If we'll write the IPAC name of the compound, 1, 2 position, so 1,2-dichloroethane. This is the IPAC name, and the common name is ethylene dichloride. Okay. Similarly, another example, here the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 position, 2 chloro groups, so 1, 2-dichloro. The word root is propane, and the common name of this compound is propylene dichloride. So here the two halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atoms. Similarly, third one is your polymethylene dihalide. Polymethylene dihalide means when the same two halogen atoms are present on the terminal carbon atom. Terminal carbon atom means suppose if आपका एक कंपाउंड है जिसमें 3 कार्बन है या 4 कार्बन है, तो हमेशा टर्मिनल पोजीशन में भी आपका हालोजन अटैच होगा. सी हियर, दिस इज एन एग्जांपल वेयर दिस 1, 2, 3 in this compound 3 carbon atoms are there, but the 2 halogen atoms are attached to terminal position. Here the halogen is your bromo, one is in one position, another one is 3 position. So what is the IPAC name of this compound? 1,3-dibromopropane, and the common name of this compound is trimethylene dibromide. Why it is trimethylene? CH2 is your methylene group, 3 methylene groups are there, so it is trimethylene dibromide. Okay. Similarly, if you will take another example, here how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are there. So it is your, and the two halogens are attached to the terminal positions. So 1,4-diiodobutane. It is the IPAC name, and the common name is tetramethylene. 4 CH2 groups are there, so it is tetramethylene diiodide. Okay. Now next we will discuss about polyhalogen derivative. ये तो डाइहालो डेरिवेटिव्स खत्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट इज पॉलीहालोजन डेरिवेटिव. पॉलीहालोजन मीन्स मोर देन 2 halogen atoms. It may be 3, it may be 4, like this. So here if you will take one example where 3 halogen atoms are attached to one carbon atom, this is your what? Trichloromethane. Trichloromethane is the what? You can write it as in one position 3 chloros attached. So 1,1,1 trichloromethane. Why it is methane? Because it is only one carbon atom is there, and the common name is your chloroform. Okay. Similarly, if I will replace chloro by iodo, it is your iodoform, and you can write triiodomethane. So these are known as your polyhalogen derivative. Okay. Similarly, if you will take one compound where 2 carbon atoms are there, and more than 2 or 3 halogen atoms are there, so they are also comes under polyhalogen derivatives. But another important point is fully halogenated hydrocarbons are called per-halo hydrocarbons. What do you mean by per-halo hydrocarbon? ये एक नया टर्म है. Fully halogenated hydrocarbons, that means per means that the hydrogens of the hydrocarbons are replaced by halogen atoms. अगर मैं एक कंपाउंड लिखूंगी हाइड्रोकार्बन, इसमें क्या होता है? कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. अगर मैं सारे हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करके यहाँ पे हालोजन अटैच कर देता हूँ, then that is known as per-halo hydrocarbons. Suppose take one example. If I will write a propane, what you will write? If you want to write propane, it is your CH3, CH2, CH3. If you will replace all the hydrogen atoms by substituting a halogen atom. Here if the halogen atom, suppose you will take a halogen, it is fluoro. So here what, in H3 के जगह हमने F रिप्लेस कर दिया, यहाँ पे H2 के जगह F रिप्लेस कर दिया, यहाँ पे भी H3 को रिप्लेस करके F दे दिया. So CF3, CF2, CF3. What is it is fully halogenated hydrocarbon, and what is the common name of this compound? This is your perfluoropropane, because 3 carbon atoms are there, so it is perfluoropropane. And what is the IPAC name of this compound? How many fluoro groups are there? That means fluorine atoms are there, 3, 3, 6 to 8. So you can write octafluoropropane. This is the IPAC name, and this is the common name. Okay.